Alright, I've taken the liberty of setting up a couple of tabs, workspace units, that kind of thing, but no features. So we're going to start the timer when we start modeling. Set that to 0.394, grab another one at 0.77, grab another circle at 1.36, then there's a center point rectangle, 0.118, and then the other one, I'm just going to paste that in. This perpendicular to there, make those two equal. Then we can start extruding these guys. 0.75. Make this visible so we can extrude tilde to select other. 1.208. And then we can do a bit of fillet on the corners. A couple more fillets on these interior corners. 0.115. Then let's grab the circular pattern on features, apply per instance, 2 of them, these 3 features along this axis. Then we can grab the hole tool, which I should really add as a quick menu item, but for now we're not going to worry about it. Why didn't it select me select? This is so sad. I'm going to edit this main connector to be offset by 0.38. There we go. Then we can throw in chamfer on the bottom, and then we just need to assign material to aluminum. That's looking good. Now let's sketch on here. 0.69, nice. Then 1.38. There's another one, that's 0.92, and I just remember that's supposed to be a construction circle. Whoops. 0.15, and then a rectangle where we only really care about this dimension, 0.278, as long as the other one passes outside there. So now we can extrude these by 0.42 symmetrically, do a fillet there, 0.12, then another fillet here, 0.03 I think, then we can extrude here by 0.48 symmetrically, grab the chamfer, tilde to select other, 0.02, and then a circular pattern around here, add, assign material, set this to a seal. And I just realized we should also do a main connector just for funsies right here. We're going to move this by 0.03 and then 0.5 degrees. And we're looking good to insert this. Turn snap mode on. Snap that. That's why I like main connectors. Hecking awesome. We can insert 1 pin, 2 pins, and we'll call it good enough. Because we'll fix this. It snapped weirdly. That was fun. Let me know if you want to see an explanation of something else I did on Onshape. This parametric chain generator. You just input some sprocket points. You do that in context. You say the pitch, the size of sprockets, that kind of thing, and it generates this. Feature script.